quick little grocery haul. We have more to put out, but I'll show you what I have out so far. We have some cheese, ice cream. Florence says this one's the best, the Netflix and chill. An avocado, Nerd gummies, stocked up on some butter. Butter's $2 cheaper at Walmart than Sobeys, just everyday regular. So anyway, I needed butter. Turkey bacon, cucumber. I didn't realize I was buying this much lettuce. I thought I was just buying one, but anyways, that's okay. We have celery, some Mr. Noodles, milk, the Nutella Uncrustables, some frozen string beans, eggs, green pepper, red pepper, some roasted garlic hummus, Greek yogurt. We got the lime, which is really, really good, and the banana, which is really, really good. Those are our favorites. I got some vanilla yogurt, corn on the cob. That's what we're having for supper tonight. Chocolate chip rice cakes, caramel chocolate chip. I like to have these with peanut butter. And the kids really like the white cheddar rice cakes. So that's all what was in the first batch. And I'll show you what's in these. In the last bag, we had some bread. These cheddar crispy minis. The kids love those. We got 6 of the probiotic smoothies. We really like those. We got some crackers. I didn't realize this was gluten-free, but I'm sure it's still okay. Sea salt and pepper, and then some multigrain popcorn, raspberry lemonade, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, apple cider vinegar. I really love the pepper, the hint of pepper, cheese, grapes, some of these. Remember the advent calendar I had with these? I got some of those. Toothpaste was on sale, got that. And then I got this Greek style pita thing. I thought we could have, like, instead of sandwiches, have our sandwich on pitas just to be different. So that's what I got for groceries. You'll notice there's no meat, but I tend to buy my meat other places, so I do have to do a meat run. I don't really have to. We have chicken and we have roast, but I usually get my meat at M&M Meats or McCory's Meat. I just find it's just way better pricing and way better quality. So yeah, no meat in this haul, but there will be eventually in the next couple days. And then also paper towel. I didn't show you that. I'm currently going to go spend some time with my niece and my nephews. And honestly, the goal over the next couple weeks, because school starts in literally 2 weeks, is to get everything, for the most part, off our summer bucket list. I feel like I feel like the summer's been weird. I don't know. So anyway, we have some plans for tonight that I'll definitely show you guys and take you guys along for, that have been on our bucket list for the summer. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure you can tell by the title of the video, but it should be fun. So anyway, I'm gonna go visit the cuties. I'll be back in a bit. Look at her little shirt. It says, "If you think I'm cute, you should see my aunt." That's me. That's me. Oh. Can you tell that my nephew's here? The lights are flicking on and off. The lights are always going off and on with him. You guys, I did a really bad job vlogging today. Woo, the sun's bright. But we're heading to the, look at all my dust. Oh well. We're heading to the beach. We're going to Lakeside Beach. We're going to have a swim, and then we're going to have a campfire on the beach. This is Alex's #1 bucket list thing he wanted to do this summer, because we do a lot of night swims on the beach, and a lot of times we're there after sunset, and there's so many people that do bonfires on the beach. And it's been years, like Alex has been saying for years, like, I just want to have a bonfire on the beach, like, let's have a campfire on the beach. So summer just flies away from you, literally. And so tonight's the night. We're like, we're gonna do a campfire on the beach. So my nephew's coming, Alex, my mom, me, Trevor. Florence is doing over her bedroom. I'll show you a little clip here. But for her birthday, we gifted her a room makeover. So we bought her the paint and a few things. We got her the TV for her room, the paint. And I was supposed to like paint the room with her, and I started painting with her. And she loves painting so much. It's the first time she's ever painted a room. And she loves it so much. And she's so good at it. Like, she's so good at doing the trim and stuff. Like, she has such a steady hand, and she's so patient. And she's finding it therapeutic. She's like, I just want to put on a cozy movie and spend all night painting. And she's like, do you mind if I do this myself? I was like, absolutely, you can do it yourself. I don't like painting. So anyway, she's painting her whole room this beautiful, like, jewel toned green. It's so dark and vampy, but she has such a vision, and I really think it's going to be beautiful. So at first you might see it and be like, wow, that's really dark, because that's what she wanted. She wanted a really dark, cozy room. She's going to get some lamps. She's going to get some beautiful bedding. She's going to have brown and gold accents in her room with the dark green walls. And she is a book lover, so she wants to do some book. Her boyfriend's actually building her a bookcase, like a bookshelf. And I guess a bookcase, is that what they're called? You know what I mean, a book stand. He built her one, so he's almost done with that. So that's going to go in her room, and she kind of wants that to be a big focal point in her room. So she wants her room to be like full of books and lamps and just cozy things, super dark, and it's going to look beautiful. She's such a good painter, so I'm so glad that she's enjoying that. She's like, oh, I love it. It's so therapeutic. I was like, oh, it causes me stress. Like, it's not therapeutic to me. So she right now is watching. And why am I talking about this? She's not coming to the beach. That's what I'm trying to say. Because she is painting and she wants to do that. So anyway, I can't wait to show you her room when it's done. She took a before picture, so it'll be a couple weeks, I think, before it's done. The goal is to get it done before school. So anyway, we're gonna head to the beach. In case you're wondering how my walking and stuff is going, it's going very well. My Fitbit is on the charger, but it's going very good. I'm still walking every day. My blood pressure is nearly normal, so I'm very proud about that. I feel really good. Everything's just going good. It's going really, really good. I'll see you guys at sunset at the beach with a bonfire. I'm so excited. I've never done this before, so it's new for me too. We're getting set up for our beach bonfire. We brought wood. Whoa! Wood. Drinks. Alex and my nephew are out testing the water. Looks like some people had some fires here before us. Yeah, we're gonna make a fire pit. Oh, look at the feather. Aww. Hi, Dad. Like this? I think there's like a riptide. Huh? Oh, yeah. I bet you seaweed would burn. Trev, do you think seaweed would burn? Oh, yeah. Probably. Yeah, and then we can just have it there.
Yeah, for sure.
That'd be good. Okay. Got some seaweed. We just made this out of driftwood. That's gonna be our base. This is our first time ever doing this. Should have brought my tripod.
Everybody say they're showing off their six-pack. Trevor's showing off the scarf. The 6 stitches.
I'm just filming myself. I'm gonna get this fire going so when the boys get out of the water, they're nice and toasty warm. My first ever Oh, it smells so good. It's working.
Looking good.
Wow.
I see
Ooh,
it's
that
fine.
looks nice.
It does. Look at it crack.
Holy man. Sun's almost down. The boys are still in the water, but we got the fire ready for them for when they come out. This is so nice. I love this. Yeah, we should make this a tradition every summer to come and have a campfire on the beach. It caught right away, like there was no issue. We thought we'd start it so you guys could get warmed up.
What's that?
We thought we'd start it so you could get warmed up.
Plug up.
We thought we'd start it so you can get warmed up.
Yes, not really, mate.
And I only lit the paper and look what it...
I thought it's okay.
That's amazing.
That's
It's
good.
crackling and everything.
Yeah.
I can't wait for it. It was so fun.
We should have took glow sticks with us.
Oh, I know.
Got some air in it, but still not bad.
Yeah, just put a little bit more air.
It needs a little more air.
Wonder if you think she'll get the whole room done?
Oh, but no, get it. Oh.
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. You were the guy with your friends at the doorway, pretending that you had
let you see the water. These want.
Hi, sweetie. Can I put my feet in the water?
Yeah. Are you liking the fire? The fireworks are really cute.
They're pretty old. Oh my.
I will nominate Alex for eviction.
The tribe has
I
spoken.
Put
tried.
my light out.
The tribe has spoken.
This week on Survivor, we're gonna eliminate one person, and it's Brandon Mack.
No.
Oh man.
Light is your life on this island. Would you lose your life, you're kicked off.
It's like Lost.
Your life.
Fire
Fire means life. Life. It's your lifeline. It's
People are gonna be like they're doing some sort of ritual.
Can I see it? It's burning now. You'll like slam it down and like.
Enough flames.
The moon's coming up.
It's so red.
At first we thought it was a tent, but it's actually the moon. Wow. Wow. The stars are amazing tonight. I know it's hard for you guys to see on here, but look at the moon going up.
It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, of fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. Yeah, it felt like coming home. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night.